In the last 2 years, BPTP has delivered over 4,000 promises, hopes, aspirations, and above all, gone beyond commitments to deliver smiles to our prized customers who have invested their trust in us. Pride, a home beyond the four walls. Located in the heart of Faridabad in Sector 77, BPTP's Pride is a luxury township that houses all the modern amenities, enveloped in splendid landscaped greens and opulent water bodies. Pride is a lush green, low-density luxury township with only 17 apartments per acre. Pride is in close proximity to all leading schools, hospitals and shopping centres of Greater Faridabad. Pride offers residents a unique lifestyle that is a first for Faridabad. Pride truly embodies the idea that a home is more than just four walls. This carefully curated township comprises of 6 exquisite parks that address the needs and aspirations of all age groups. The Blessings Park, equipped with a meditation area, provides a perfect setting to connect with one's inner self and promotes well-being. It offers lush green lawns and kids' play areas. The Serenity Garden houses a wide variety of trees, a badminton court and a kids' play area. Pride also harbors 3 distinct sport arenas that have badminton courts, kids' play area, tree courts, cricket pitch and tennis court. The fully gated campus that is guarded by a trained security team and a network of CCTV cameras ensures round-the-clock supervision. Besides this, the development of a state-of-the-art club has already commenced, equipped with a multi-cuisine restaurant, swimming pool, triple-height courtyard seating areas, coffee bar and library and more is sure to be the talk of the town. Pride is a serene, secure, state-of-the-art world of your own. Be a part of this township where a stellar lifestyle is the norm. Add pride to your life.